Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is a video on what I did to make my Lego animation for the YouTube channel The Gaming John. It's a Lego animation about him playing the game Raft. So yeah, I'm gonna link the video in the comments soon, but the video's not out yet. It's coming out in a few days on the Gaming John YouTube channel. So yeah, this is just gonna be how I made it. So if you got questions, ask them in the comments. So what I did first, started making some circle empties and using them as a rig. I rigged up the entire Lego body. You just got to make sure the origin of the empty is right where the armpit of the Lego man is. Doesn't have to be the most insane rig ever because it is a Lego man and they don't move too crazily. It's not like rigging a human. So yeah, you can rig both the arms and parent them as an object, and yeah, you don't really need to rig anything except the arms, the head, and everything like that. So yeah, I got a plain axes and put it on the head and started duplicating around. The arms and legs I didn't need a rig for because I can just move them normally. But yeah, this is it rendered. It's pretty good, but. And I also made a simple animation for the water, which was just it moving on the Z-axis with a mapping node in the shading editor, so it's not too crazy. But yeah, now I can render it, and yeah. So it also changes facial expressions. I made a simple rig. That's not going to be part of this video though, because this video is not about that.